In this morning's Health Watch, a big change is coming for sunscreen. Just approved by the FDA, a new sunscreen ingredient for the first time in more than 25 years. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration approved this new ingredient. It's called Bemotrizinol. It's been used in Europe and Asia for decades. Experts say it offers broad protection against both UVA and UVB rays. Board-certified dermatologist Dr. Nazarian is here to show us what this means for all of us. Just break this down. How big of a deal is it, the first time in 25 years, to have a new ingredient?
It's a really big deal. This one checks all the boxes. This is going to be the golden child. You know, it blocks both UVA and UVB. It's a large molecule, doesn't absorb into the system. It's very safe. It's super effective. It's a great team player, meaning it can play with some other ingredients. It's photostable. It doesn't break under pressure like a lot of sunscreen ingredients. They break down in light. This does not. This is essentially the Jalen Brunson of sunscreen.
Oh, all right.
If we can make that
So it's going to come in the clutch.
But wait, is this... So oftentimes when I'm in, for example, South Korea, they have great sunscreens there. I bring those here to the United States, but you can't buy them here in the U.S. Is that the ingredient that's going into these?
Yes, sir.
What? That is huge.
So you don't have to pack your suitcases anymore when you travel and bring it all back. We're going to have it here, hopefully as early as August 9th.
So how does it feel and look different while you're using it?
It feels so much more cosmetically elegant. You know, a lot of those old sunscreens that blocked UVA and UVB, they left that white cast on the skin.
Yes. Of course.
This does not do that, but it's just as effective and safe. So it's going to feel really nice on your skin, and I think it's going to really change the game here in the U.S.
Why were the Europeans and Asians able to get this to the market faster than the United States?
The U.S. has its own regulatory system, and it's in some ways great because we want to make sure that the Americans are getting safe and effective things, and testing things over time takes time. So it's a good thing, but it's also, of course, a bad thing, right? But I will give major applauding to the American Academy of Dermatology, which did a fantastic job of changing the legislation so that actually from now on, we're probably going to get some of these ingredients a little bit faster.
Does that mean that other ingredients could be approved sometime in the near future?
Absolutely. There's a lot more things on the menu that I think Americans are going to want.
I mean, my mind is blown because I remember when I first came back with these products from Asia, I finished with them. I went to like a South Korean cosmetic store and I was like, I want this brand. They're like, here it is. And it's the same brand, but it's missing the ingredient that you love in the products.
Yeah, because they really cracked down.
And it was a noticeable difference when you used it.
Very noticeable.
You don't get the white cast. It just goes on clear, gives you a glow.
Yeah, as opposed to smelling like the beach or whatever it is that they put in the stuff.
And because a lot of those companies actually already use it abroad, I don't think it's going to take that long for it to get into the U.S. and to be on the shelves. Now, there was one company that's exclusivity for about 18 months. So after that one company loses exclusivity, then all the other companies are going to jump on board, and you're going to see it everywhere.
So we have to wait for all the other products to come.
You'll see it still starting around August 9th, but it won't be necessarily in all the different sunscreens.
Dr. Nazarian, always great to have you. Thank you very much.